Yes, sir.
Now we move to Adako Jachi.
The King's project.
Yeah, kwa Adako Jachi.
The latest, and it's a pepe.
Minya ko makacho se omo mo ye adwuma no. Esa ye adwuma ye yi. Nti omu a na ye famu namfo kakra. Na timiti minya ntie na am say oh. And yes a hawk no. Ekoko piem. And I have told you that when the hawk flies, two things. Either say obetwam fo nyini nyina. When ya document no fa sa no de aba.
No de aba.
Ne de aye adwuma. Eti awie ye wo adwuma e wo ha pa ye ba be.
Okay.
Now, Abusapani, if you go to Adako Jachi currently as we speak, the second training pitch, natural pitch,
videos or pictures of why you been a biana.
Hawk no better kwa for video ma.
Wow,
send you one too.
And yeah, Muntie, where Hawk no kono na eagle nate because we dey say aha 80 Munjani I come 87.9 FM bra. What the bra Facebook akoma 87.9 FM na be she bibia pepe e kan wasem Hawk no tu kwa ode ababia pictures and videos no ena wa no bra akoma 87.9 FM the King's project the latest bra now so be happy pepe
eagle no tu a meeting akese ampanifo te ase na we dey open space to small Hawk na the Hawk eye view no akofa e dey abrel but meeting ya to punuma se dey bodo e ho na eagle no
na ya na da de tokwa wo inside
no why na kan wa wonu wadamfo no na mre bi ehia na ni di nkomo no na yenso ye koye ni
o de zababa kromo pepe
mama nka asem we kiro
we
ensensan bi e wo kroma bi a wonim bi asa obeka no kra ya ye boso bo ashase ye hye. This is the second training pitch of Asante Kotoko, a green. Now to give me more evidence mama picture no mama video no I'm japan.
Yes sir.
So hwe mfonyini ba ko na Kabiru e de bae na wo de hwe park na no ano nsensan ni nyina wo ho na enka the main one omudia no na ahyehye no.
Okay.
Awie ya eboyi any player abayi sensan dia se
but I know when there that's your green.
I say me catch us the quality of the pitch that grass no more planting is different.
Wow.
I told you here me sure listeners abekai. Say me catch us quality of grass no more dia quite different. Now enka Hawk no my the current training pitch of Kotoko Akabu say ehye. Omo water ne da bia current one nye say ya water but ehye.
Okay.
But wait there the second training pitch and I was waiting for this moment. Okay brebia ya kwa ye ewo adwoso yenua Kwame Dua Hasa emame ayi Kwame yankai wo ya na we there ya ka asempanyimfo se dura manfo so a ni akai ya no ya ye koduru ho anwumra ye behu grass na data na ensu tobre sa ye no kura nsu to so be kai ya tina people thought nsu to 20
na ye green
na nsensan ye green no abupanyin nsu nto.
Wow.
Now shade ahaya me depa esere na wo agire no.
Wow.
Ni nyina ahye esere na wo agire hayi
eche for momro bra koma 87.9 FM on Facebook wo bra na behwa bi na wo say ensem na pepe kan ni nyina no kra yes Kabiru azumu pepe hwe eni
enti esere na wo agire ni nyina ahye ba park na ye green na o kai say me catch us park no enya park at that time ye ko na ye green na afu na me catch us the consultant na amati ase say afu sa na njaze ye ko bo so bo eti wo do no wa water na wa fertilize na uguso a omutwa first one betwen na second one fifi na no so anyina be 3 months na omutwa na fe omutwa last one say okay say san komo ne di na no kwasem wo mi say ba bia san sensan we adu na buzapanyi ade a Asante Kotoko expect say by ye wo month be mu December by February na ensensan na I ready.
Wow.
But they made
say 2 months time.
Yeah. February no edura. They made say empanyfo bia. They will not use the pitch. Omo use pitch this year.
They will not use it.
Say February edura.
Okay.
What they want to wait and do. And say empanyfo ebetwen. Na bia league no on say by March, April, May ni awie.
Yes.
They may want to use it from next season.
The next okay.
Because Makato that say adwuma na air course for the penny.
Wow.
Now adwuma na air ba take shape at a different location. and I said different projects aba shase aka adwuma no.
Okay.
And some projects na eba shase ni nyina no. Projects are empanyifo will need space.
Mhm.
Hia sa space no. Ede aye adwuma no.
Okay.
Enti that is what I'm hearing. Say pitch no by February there. No be a contractor no hand over.
Okay.
March, April, May mu season ba na wie ya. And now say so construction of the buildings and na me be kan wasa ma kire no.
Mhm.
Say Kim.
Okay.
Esan say mfuturo ni ade o whether ye wo mi mfuturo bebre.
Papa.
They may move the team to this the new pitch I hear.
Oh, okay.
Then
no more space
because the construction will happen very close to the current training grounds now.
Okay.
Okay. That is it for sa project way.
Wow.
Yenye na yenko yenim. Now Kabiru, take me to the abandoned Kotoko building led by Dr. Kofi Asante Desmond.
No. Yes.
Medas.
Abrosan kese pa na nanka papa ni o wa Ross decision.
Yeah.
Yes.
Inti abusapanyi wura agency ya kase ya adakuja achewa.
Yes.
We the building na nanka omusi as hostels no.
Okay.
Building na omusi as hostels ni.
Wow.
Na sa building no kwaseme wo ni say architect no ede won se ma be catch us as ye twen omo.
Yes.
No mo de omo expert opinion ede aba. Bia sales and marketing asema. Ye betima kire ya dwene wo ho pa because we have the expertise to do that.
Sure.
Bia education asem ne ye ka with you and Raf we don't need consult anybody. We will be in a position na ya kan wasema kaniye because that is the field that mu expertise. Menye obi a me here adwuma as architect nti we needed to get the opinion of the architects on this particular issue.
Yes, sir.
I am able to report say some buildings way the likelihood see be dwuda for from about 80%.
Wow.
About 80%.
And I am likelihood. And our plan na.
Okay, bra Dr. Sapon every Kotoko. Dr. Sapon every Kotoko I think 2012. And 2024, 12 years down the lane, these buildings, yes, they've been abandoned for 12 years.
Wow. And
Abusapanyi, according to people that I have spoken to, who are not necessarily those in charge of the construction works, Mami Enchirim.
Okay.
And you're in charge of the construction works, you know. But experts that I've spoken to, almost Pepe, to use a building that has been abandoned for a number of years, you know. A bedding again. Wow. As I say, bedding, no. Ebia, you may need to erect more pillars. I just saw the pillars for frost shame near there. Normally, they will advise you to pull it down.
Okay.
They will give you the advice. On say, me architect my expert opinion. So the advice will be with you, the owner, to pull it down. If you decide, oh, that be decision, okay. But they will give you that advice, and that is the advice. Free. At least 2 people are minimum. They've been in this job of architect for over 20 years, wow. And they are in good standing.
No,
yes. Okay. Almost say the advice based on, but also on feasibility studies on and check nyoma. But of course,
yes, no,
and the fact that Obusazi a roofie, me say no. So Togu so direct, we have boss so direct for 12 years. Me say aye.
Wow.
We don't so blocks we say na e dwiri gusa. O say near. E wo me say onko hu de. But if he is in a position to advise the owner of that facility, or by advice you say, especially unsensin kwosuru bebrebe dia. Ye mu abuzapanyi unim say sa building no. The office is one no. Everybody is here no. Esen ke twaso 3 to 4. Per the original plan. Sa original plan no. You list to yes Lucas at that time no public relations director. And all the drawings he brought it those days to Dover FM. Emma ye nyina ye hu said this here. Dan ya twaso miensa kwone 9. Enei bia na Kotoko e dia konum nsia. Enti
there's a pillars no.
the original plan was to even make it 3-story. Say 4-5 then you may have to pull it na yenko yerim Kabiru mame kotokofo emfo nyino omde ba da the Kings project no omde ba ho ntoma unya na me nkyere atiefo na de bi ne yenko ba dos ye kase ye ya ene enya time enye we but ye de beba ejabja panyi we ayesa abandoned building na we na ye hostels no the video of the offices na eno elo di by the time Kabiru benya we na mayen na alodo yi na ode no aba enti no if you go to the AJ now second training page no the grass na me catch say imported grass and Kotoko any Rain Masters Football Academy boy no Rain Masters na brofo no request say come benya sample of the grass and come pay Rain Masters I was there
wow
enti no and have over abandoned buildings we are matter say now the expert advice has been given to the life patron and the owner open source say to be built na Asante hini kurura enya sa advice na which you act on same abja panyi me dance Kabiru and then kabema bibi but why you okay into the yenko yen abja panyi
we the drawings no
now you look at
wow
sa dan fefe ya edam for nyini so ayewi I am informed say
wow
in the next few months weeks days construction will begin on actual buildings at Adakujachi.
Wow.
Constructions will begin. And so sa offices na makato say I am reno e o me madwiri mpacho me menya expert. Na mabusa expert opinion on call but ono so say edan esiwo ayem moso na mfie dumienu awie boso nso togu so die. He will feel that bia enye in condition be sibia to so amana ye safe. Sa dan na buja penyo mutase so mu si a on your far right corner of your page so you phone or your Facebook far right corner hono some buildings this year chire no eno na Kotoko eba be e a the current
block no
yes the current block no is no
ajefo mon join yen da mon yen tra esan sensem die pio na Kotoko wi Adakoja chi ya elipo man ajisi ya to abawo
clearly no bia because any dey na yes na no ya basa esi
said ya kwato aba dey decide
bia o ya has ni bia beto ma has ko bia beto ma Kotoko
na be say MPP fo ebi to ma decide fo ebi to ma
MPP ni bia wanto but so beto ma ndisi dey o mo nya sa ya na ma me fo ya undi o mo won ne kasa ye kwan fun nam so enti anu ntie ne ne za aban be sesa ne bra jajajajai omo teso die no mo ye ma ye no wakai za o ka MPP asem dizana ma me for the tie ejabza we Adakoja chi mfonyi Asante Kotoko ede be announce ni nti akire ho buildings no say the year kasa construction of 2 natural pitches eba the third pitch artificial pitch and also so ebra no koye ntimi emma update na emfa video nke ni nyina because the hawk captured all of that for us ochina ye beto aso echina mama exclusives about 2 important nyoma ebesi e wa Adakoja ache ho
wow
2 important nyoma ebesi e wa Adakoja ache ho
wow
echina me de ebema